Check out this long video content. It was created using n8n. Let's watch it together. So,
The year is 1257. The Mongol Empire stands at the peak of its power, stretching from Eastern Europe to the Pacific Ocean.
This land does not bleed.
so this sections was modified using VO3. Okay, the initial ones is here, which is actually different. I even have another one here that I can also show you. That makes two of this content. So this is another one. Let me show you another copy. Here is another one.
European chronicles paint him as a terrifying conqueror who nearly destroyed Christian civilization. Ottoman records celebrate him as the greatest sultan who ever lived. But both versions miss the truth. The real Suleiman was...
So all I just need to do is to edit and perfect it, just like the first one.
Like the others.
No army has been able to withstand their mounted warriors. No kingdom has survived their siege.
So the sound effect was added by me using some kind of editor, but at least this long video was not generated by me, because if I want to generate a long video like this, I have to, like, this video is almost 49 images at once. I can't be adding to this thing and putting effect on this thing myself. So I use n8n workflow, which I'm going to show you how I do it. So when I use Cloud AI to write a 5 minute long video, and I use this thing to generate this, as you can see right now, this is a 5 minute videos about the empire of Egyptian, and I don't know. So just copy these and submit, and after the submission you will see my workflow. My workflow should be running through. I don't know why it also is wrong. So let's test it again. Click here and let me go and copy my content. After copying my content, I'm going to paste it here, to long form, and click on submit. After clicking on submission, as you can see, this thing is going to come up running. So first thing for this thing is to generate the scene, and it's going to use that scene to create the image prompt. And for each scene, it should be 5 to 10 seconds long. Okay, so that means based on the story, it's going to copy a 5 to 10 seconds section of each story and use it to generate the prompt. As you can see, let me drag this thing up. Here is the output. Here is the output. As you can see right now, here are the outputs. And for now, we have over 56 prompts. Okay, we have over 56 prompts. If you have to check this split out prompts right here, this split out, you see what we have. We have 2D. This is the prompt. We have the transcript. We have the year, the comic book illustration. Yes, this is because the reason why I use this thing, the style is, I think I love the style, like portray a story when you are telling about a story, and about how I'll be able to create that style. It was here in this system prompt, as you can see here in this system prompt, for them to be able to generate that. And let us see the first image generated by these guys, by this workflow. So I use FreePick AI API to do this, and it has what has been helping me so far. So let's check out the generated image. Here is the second generated image. Let's see the first one, and it's going to generate almost like 53 images without failing. Yeah, unless my API runs out. So this is second image. We have it right here, as you can see. This is second image, and this thing is kind of looking good for me. So after this is how the workflow works. Let me explain this thing to you so you can at least get a grasp of how these things work here. So the first thing is we have the content submission. This is, I called it initial setup and trigger. Okay, after you paste the content, it's going to, I don't actually need this determine resolution, because it's already set, as this is a long form content, and we all know that this content is for YouTube. So it's already set there, And after then, this is used to split the content into scene. And now we have 56 images. And now we can bombard our API at once with these images. We cannot bombard them with these images. So we decide to look one single one through at a time. So we get one prompt from here, send it here. And after sending it here, it's going to process the image. We are going to wait for 5 to 10 seconds to get the image, to generate the image. And after the generation, we are going to get the status whether that thing has complete or not. And if the prompt hasn't complete, we have to go back and wait for the result again. And wait, after it has been completed, we are going to go to the HTTP download to download the image. As you can see here, we are going to download the image, as you can see here, and I'm running this on my local host. Just to let you know, I'm running all this thing on my local host, just to let you guys know. Now I'm going to upload the image to what I call mini IO. Yes, it is mini IO. Then the next thing is I use text to speech software. As you can see, we have different set of things here. Now we have the transcript. Now I'm going to transcribe this using a text to speech software. After transcribing that, I'm going to upload the voiceover. I mean, converting it to text to speech, not transcribing at all. I'm going to get the audio length. So I'm going to get the audio length. The result for the audio length, it will be used to generate the effect for the image, which we can now turn into video. This is it. We animate it. Then the next thing is add voice to it. That means one voice with one picture and what else? And we are going to animate it, which is converting it to video. Okay, let me just show you the raw example of what I'm saying now. Let's play this one.
The Battle of Kadesh between Egypt and Nubia represents one of the most pivotal conflicts in African history.
Can you see? This is just one clip out of it. The effects, the image, the video, and everything is right here. Then after all this has been done, we are going to get all the URL of the video. As you can see here, we are going to get all the URL, map the URL, and join the video together, which is going to give us an output like the one I've shown you before. Okay, let me show you again. This is going to give an output like this.
History remembers Suleiman the First
As you can see,
magnificent.
my output like
European
this.
chronicles paint him as a terrifying conqueror who European chronicles paint him as a
So this is kind of output it's going to give us. But the thing I know about this n8n is it can't handle a long form content. It can actually handle a short content very well, but not long form content. Especially when it comes to this, because now I can't generate caption for this video. Why? I don't know the reason. Maybe the hosting I'm using for the n8n is not blah 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 like that. So you got to know how to work your way around through things here. Now, after this has been generated, I'm generating from short form content. I will have to have caption on that, but I stop here. I stop right there because I can't do all this thing myself within some minutes. So while this thing is generating video for me, I created mine. So that is how I'm able to solve my long form content, and I'm able to create a video like this, which you guys will think that is actually a work of AI with a little bit of mine.
Year is 1220.
Here's another
The
one.
Mongol invasion of Central Asia had begun. The campaign had gone well for Genghis Khan. His armies crushed resistance in the steppes and seized key cities across the Khwarezmian Empire. After a string of conquests, the Mongols turned toward Samarkand.
So that's it for now, and this is the workflow, guys. Just check it. Check it, and if you want or need this workflow, just let me know and contact workflow. I'm going to send it directly to you. So thank you for watching and do have a nice day. So Thanks n8n for giving us this chance. Um, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow for more.